Oh man, I parked where there was a tree in the way. Well, there's nothing going on really behind the tree. I do see one worker, but there's some spraying and some going on over there to the right. He's picking up metal. Oh, I thought he was working with a magnet or something. Hang on. Let me get my double finger requiring zoom going. There's a red truck coming by. Oversized load truck. He's foreman of the crew. He's saying get to work. He's saying get to work, cockroach, right now. Get to work. There's one crane moving right there. He's about to start acting busy. It's nice.